Experts estimate that it will become an $864 billion market by 2025.
Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. But first promise me that you leave the video after ending. It's important for your career. I promise you that I will not bore you. So let's go with our first topic on cloud computing.
Let's see some trends on cloud computing. The top cloud computing trends to look out for in 2023 are AI and milliliter, Kubernetes, multi and hybrid cloud solutions, AIP, cloud security, and more. Enterprises are increasingly adopting cloud computing services. 92% of enterprises surveyed already embrace a multi-cloud strategy. 83% have used the hybrid cloud strategy. Experts estimate that it will become an $864 billion market by 2025.
Imagine this: every time you check your social media feed, purchase something online, or stream your favorite shows, data is generated. But what makes big data truly fascinating is the potential it holds.
By effectively analyzing and extracting valuable insights from this sea of information, businesses, researchers, and organizations can gain a competitive edge, make informed decisions, and drive innovation like never before. The power of big data is limitless. Now might be wondering, how does cloud computing fit into the picture? By leveraging the cloud, organizations can store and process enormous amounts of data efficiently without the need for costly on-premises infrastructure. The synergy between cloud computing and big data is transforming industries across the globe.
Some best things about cloud computing. Scalability. One of the most significant advantages of cloud computing is its scalability. Cost efficiency. Cloud computing operates on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for the resources you use. Competitive edge. Adopting cloud computing can give businesses a competitive edge in the digital landscape. In summary, cloud computing offers a plethora of advantages of many things. And that concludes tonight's edition of Cloud Computing News.
Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your head in the cloud.